Hi, this is S. Prashant from Computer Science and Engineering Department, second year. My registration number is UR15C046. Today I am going to do a fourth program in C++. Let's see the question now. Totally there are 11 questions. In the first I am going to do a seventh question. Write a menu-driven application to maintain the department details of a university using a C++ use constructors, getters, and setters functions. Your application must contain the following functionalities. For each department, maintain the following details, that is department name, HOD name, and number of faculty, number of students, and number of programs, and get the department detail from user, that is admin. In the menu, given user option to add, edit, delete, or display the department details. Now let's move to the program. Hash include iostream is nothing but it is a call for a compiler, and it is a header file of input and output operation. And hash include stdlib.h is a standard library of input and output operation by using a namespace std, and here we are using a class function of a variable universe, and a character is used of a variable department name of an array initialized as 10, and a character of an HOD name of an array initialized as 10. Int is nothing but is integer data type of a variable department ID and number of faculty, number of students, and number of programs. And we are using a public. There are two modes, whether the public is if we are using public means it will function or it will declare all the statements which have been used. If it is a private means before closing or before the main program it will be blocked, hence we have used public here. Univ is a function of a class, and number of faculty as initialize is equal to 0, number of students of initialize is equal to 0, and number of programs as initialize is equal to 0, and void is a void function or void declaration function of get data of enter the department data is telling by the user or admin computer by using cout statement, and department name is stored by using a cin statement, and a \n is to move or to start a new statement in a new line, and enter the whole name is telling by the user to the computer by using cout statement, and HOD name is stored by using cin statement, and enter the department ID is telling by the user to the computer by using a cout statement, and the department ID is stored by using cin statement, and similarly the enter the number of faculty is used by seeing cout statement, and the number of faculty is stored by using cin statement, and enter the number of students is telling to the computer by the user by using the cout statement, and the number of students is stored by cin statement, and enter the number of program is telling to the user by computer, and the number of program is also stored by using cin statement. And again we are using a declaration function as void display data, and here by using this all statement by cout, that is department name is a function of /d of a department name, and by using a statement HOD name :/d as a return as HOD name, and similarly the number of faculty, department ID, number of students, and program have void edit of it. Here after one function of where compile over, we can also edit function also is used here. It is e of a character or an array, E variable as initialized as a 10 as array. And now I'm moving to a main function. Int main is nothing but it is a integer data type main. Return data type, or else it is a return data type teacher. Int I is equal to 0. Integer data type of I variable is equal to 0 of choice. Character of variables of choice, that is ch. And by using cout statement, department details of a university, that means it is all the things are under this. That's what we have used, department details of a university, by using cout statement. Here do while loop I am using. The speciality of a do while loop is nothing but do. If one function is not existing, means at least once the program will be compiled and executed. That is by using a cout statement, enter the department, edit department and display the department. And these three functions have stored, or by using the choice, by using the scene statement, and case by using a switch case statement, and of choice I'm going to case 1 I'm going to tell three cases. That is, case 1 is equal to u of I dot get. Here are getters and setters we are using. Get data of, and we have used switch statement, we are using break. And case 2 u of I dot edit of I and break. And for integer of k is equal to 0 and k less than I, here k is incremented, that is k plus plus, and u of k dot display data break. And we have used switch case statement, so I am going to use a default statement, default exit of 0, and here I is incremented of I plus plus. And do you want to continue is telling to the admin by using a cout statement, to the admin to the computer by using cout statement, and choice as stored by using the scene statement by as ch. And hence while, here we are using a while loop of while, that is ch choice is equal to s. If we are if the user or compiler is asking do you want to continue, I have to give yes or else no. And hence I am used int main, that is a return data type. There is no value for return, we didn't initialize any, so I am going to initialize return value as 0. And void unique void declaration function of unique of edit of intent, that is in department check int is integer data type of variable department check, and enter for which department details you have to change, that is which department you have to edit details department details by using a cout statement. And department check is stored by using scene statement. I am using for loop for int j is equal to 0, that integer type of j is equal to 0 comma j less than n, and j is incremented if e of j dot department of id is equal to department check e of j dot getters, that is get data. Then you have to check whether we have entered the curly braces correct or not, semicolons. That's it. Now I'm going to execute. So first there is no error, I'm going to build, there is no error, so I'm going to run the program. Enter the department details. 1. Enter the department name CSE. Enter the HOD name lesson. Enter the department ID. For example, I am taking 2641 or else 2016. Enter the number of faculty, I am taking 4. Enter the number of students 70. enter the number of programs. 11. Do you want to continue? Yes. And second. Now 70. Yes. 1. Again. CAC blessing tidy 2016. Number of faculties 4. Number of students 70. Number of programs 11. Yes. 3. This is which I have displayed. Thank you.